Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and this one is Polybag 30499, and this is the Robot Vehicle Free Build set. Now, I'm kind of curious to take a look at this because all the Polybags that I've looked at so far have sort of been, had instructions. So let's see what instructions this one has and see if it has any recommendations for what we build or if it just is a bunch of parts. Also, while I'm doing this, if you happen to like this kind of video, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I do one of these videos a day and I plan on doing it for the foreseeable future. So if you enjoy them, please turn on notifications and subscribe. Also, if you're interested in this particular set, I have included links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon as well as on Bricklink. And I've also included a link to Brickset if you just want information about this particular set. Let's see. So, I don't necessarily know what I'm going to be doing with these wheels, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing something. Alright, so we got some wheels. We got wheels. We got the little axle pieces. So let's see what the actual instructions say. So we can build weird robots, I guess. That's the plan. So you can build the weird robot. You can build a little car. That's a suggested thing. And you can build a wheeled sideways robot thing. Alright, I don't know. Well, let's see if let's scrap these instructions and let's just see what we got. Alright, so we got 4 wheels, and I'm kind of happy about that. So we're definitely going to do something with wheels. So we're going to have wheels. And so we got wheels. Let's see what else we got. And we got that. Steering wheel. Like I guess this is like a gun body? Or maybe and we got some arms. We got arms. We got 2 of these. The gun. These. I gotta tell you, I feel like a few more pieces would do wonders for us. We got... Actually, there's a couple of painted, or a couple of printed pieces. There's a dial, and another dial, and vents, and a ladder. I don't know. I feel like it's like almost somewhere. So let's see. Well, I'm gonna make a car. Yeah. So here's a question. I want to do something like this. Interesting. I don't know exactly how this is gonna go. So we have 4 of these. That's interesting. So we could do one here, and one here, and one here. Oops, keep dropping it. And we can use these to hold these pieces on, these back pieces, like so. Like that. I don't know what some of these pieces are really intended for. How about some jetpacks? Some jet thrusters. These might be too long. Yeah, they're too long. What if we move this up to here? Well, that's not going to work. I don't know. It's kind of an interesting assortment of stuff. I mean, like, you might... Yeah, I don't know. It's the kind of thing that you could maybe give somebody and just have it be kind of a throwaway thing, almost. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about this one. I really don't know where I'm going with this, but and I wonder, can we attach these in here? Bet we can, right? These go in here. They will. So if we do this and this, attach it. We can get it in there. Attach it right there. Alright, there you go. There's a crappy little weird car. I don't know. I don't know about the other stuff. What do you think? I like the wheels, and I like the fact that you can sort of build a car. Beyond that, though, I don't know. I feel like I should send this video, copy this video to my mom, so you can be like, oh, that's such a neat car you made as an adult, you know, with Legos. Anyway, I don't know. What do y'all think? What do you think about the free build polybag? It's got some interesting pieces, and I mean, like, there's definitely places you can go with it. I don't know. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.